Redefined TV for kids.
Chapter 6. The Blind Man Sees. John 9, 1 through 12. As Jesus and his disciples walked through the city one day, they passed a man sitting by the side of the road. He wasn't begging loudly, he wasn't calling attention to himself, he was just sitting quietly, but the disciples noticed him. "Teacher," they asked, "why was this man born blind? Was it because of his own sin or his parents?" Jesus stopped and looked at the man. "Neither," he said. "He was born blind so that the works of God might be shown in his life." Then Jesus knelt beside the man. The man couldn't see him. He didn't know what Jesus looked like, but Jesus knew him. Jesus did something unusual. He spat on the ground. He made a little bit of mud with his fingers, and then he gently placed the mud on the man's eyes. The man didn't flinch. He sat still. Then Jesus said, "Go, wash in the pool of Siloam." The man got up. He made his way through the streets, past voices and footsteps and carts, until he reached the pool. He bent down. He dipped his hands in the water. He washed away the mud. And when he opened his eyes, light, color, faces. He could see. For the very first time in his life, he saw the world. People, buildings, trees, sky, and tears ran down his face. He looked around, but Jesus was gone. Neighbors were shocked. "Is this the same man who used to sit and beg? It can't be." "Yes, it's me," he said, smiling. "Then how can you see?" The man answered simply. "The man called Jesus made mud, put it on my eyes, told me to wash, and now I see." It was that simple. He didn't understand how it worked. He didn't know all the answers, but he knew one thing for sure. I was blind, but now I see.